Here's how to loose lace Jordan 4s. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to bring the lace ends down to each eyelet at the very bottom here. And we're going to go into them from above, going through the plastic as well. So just find that eyelet and take your time and wiggle your lace end through. Pull it through a little bit and then pop it to one side. Smooth your lace out on the other side and then just wiggle that lace end through the plastic bit first, then through the eyelet and pull it through. Now you're welcome to pause if you need a little bit more time. There's no rush at all with this, guys. And then here's a cool little trick you can do before you pull your laces all the way through. Take your lace ends together like this, grab a hold of your Jordans and then just slowly pull that lace through. And what this will mean is your laces will come out of equal length on either side before we carry on the pattern. Don't worry if yours haven't, just make sure they're even before we carry on. Awesome, then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to get started with our pattern. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and then down into this second eyelet on this side from above. Like this, and just pull that all the way through, making sure there's no twists and creases. Pop it to one side and then swap to the other one and do the same. Bring it over and down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side, wiggling it through the plastic and the eyelet. Now you always want to be going down into these eyelets from above, not coming up into them from underneath, for the loose lace style, because it looks way more fresh. Great, then we're going to repeat that. Keep a hold of this lace, bring it over and down into the next empty eyelet. Just wiggling that through and go ahead and just pull that lace all the way through. Looking good. Swap to the other one, smooth it out, bring it over and down into that third eyelet up from the bottom on this side. Great, so at this point you should have done all of the eyelets with the plastic and now it's just these empty ones, which are a lot easier. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. It's totally up to you to just go at your own pace. Now we are going to keep a hold of this lace and do the same as we've been doing. Bring it down into this eyelet on this side, making sure there's no twists. If you get any twists, just take your time to undo those. Pull that lace through slowly. Swap to the other one. Do the same on this side. Looking good. Keep a hold of this lace, bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet. Swap to the other one, bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet. Keep a hold of this one. Down to the next empty eyelet on this side. And then the other one. And it's looking really good. Now you might want to double check all your laces are looking nice and crisp and how you like them. And then we're just going to carry on. Keep a hold of this lace. Bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet. Really nice. Swap to the other one, bring it over, and down to the next empty eyelet. Great. Now we've reached the plastic bits again. We're going to do something slightly different here to finish off our loose lace pattern. Keep a hold of this lace, and out of these three eyelets here, bring it up into the middle one from underneath, and it's this eyelet here. That makes sense. So that middle one, and then you're going to feed it through the bit of plastic as well. So it's that bit. Pull that through, and then you're just going to pull that through around about that much. Don't worry about this excess lace, we'll sort that in a minute. And now we're going to do the same on the other side. So out of the three eyelets, it's the middle one, the one closest to you, like that. And then through the bit of plastic, like that. And you're pulling it through around about this much on each side. Then with these excess laces, literally just take them and tuck them behind the sneaker tongue out of the way so you can see the logo. And then you'll just be able to slip your feet in and out without the need for tying them up. And those laces are super soft, they'll just sit on top of your foot as it goes in and out. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace Jordan 4s. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks a lot.